Uhuru brothers and sisters, welcome to Block Food TV. Tonight is January 10th, 2011. We're here at the Aaron Bailey Park at the union-led march demonstration against the privatization of BTC. My name is Alex Morley. You're listening to Block Food TV. Sir, can you tell us your name, please?
Troy Garvey, Freeport, Grand Bahama.
All right, Mr. Garvey, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I was born in West End, Grand Bahama. I grew up, I schooled in the United States. I work at BTC in the Directory Publication Department, and I stand for people's rights.
And you're a community activist from Grand Bahama.
Yes, that's what they call me.
Can you tell us what is your main objection to the government's selling BTC to cable and wireless?
Well, you know, if you really research cable and wireless, they are trying to convince the people that cable and wireless has changed. In 1999, they had refused cable and wireless. They even put a bid in for Betelco. Cable and wireless is not structured appropriately to come and take over our genuine Betelco. Our cables in this country is like a gem. This is what they want to get their hands on. When you check the records, that cable and wireless has been conducting business in a very poor manner for many years, many years. And so what was ironic is when I did the research to see that they was trying to market 500 million shares last year. And I think they're still trying to do it, but they were high-yield shares, high-yield bonds. High-yield bonds, organizations sell them when they are not credited to meet the investor ratings. So they are not an A-rated company. They're down in the BA, not even BB. So why should we bring them in here to purchase our company? First of all, I don't understand why our government is trying to sell it for so cheap. When people say 210 million, it's not 210 because 15 million goes in the treasury. 67 million is going to be paid for the medical for the employees. So you're looking at almost like $130 million. And one of those cable links valued $90 million. So we cannot allow the government to just step all over us and say, we can do it without consulting the people. I am waiting on them to show me which one of them are the expert is in telecommunications so they could say they're making the right decision.
But one more question. Tell us what's the latest development going on right now in Grand Bahama? We always know there's big things happening in Grand Bahama in terms of the people always fighting the system. What's going on in Grand Bahama right now?
But you know, in Grand Bahama, you might as well say things stop. You know, everybody say go slow. As a matter of fact, I feel like it's in reverse. Grand Bahama is now gasping for breath, so to speak, especially in the work field. There's nothing happening in Grand Bahama. There's no view from the Grand Bahama Port Authority to say what is going to happen. The Grand Bahama Port Authority is doing a downtown turnaround by beautifying the place, but this is not what we need in Grand Bahama. We need some serious, serious investment to come into Grand Bahama. Grand Bahama is wide open. It is wide open, and it is open for people to go out and find investors. Investors are out there. If you really look at the European Union, they just sanctioned $33 billion for the people, the retirees, to spend on green. That means go around the world and spend the money and get property and develop it. And Bahamians can go out and get these monies. But we need to get the clumps taken off our backs so we could move forward in this country. We are being oppressed, suppressed, and depressed in this country, especially Grand Bahama.
Thank you very much, Mr. Garvey.
Yes, sir. Thank you, too. Nice meeting you.